Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 4G recreation. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Math, Macroeconomics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. Okay. Title of assignment is that Excel 4G recreation under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on question number 1. In question number 1, open the Excel workbook student Excel 4G recreation Excel has downloaded with this project. Basically in this question we will open our Excel workbook which we will have download from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your school college portal. I have also downloaded this from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. So moving on question number 2 of this assignment. Question number 2 is that click cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of dialog box. Add the month field to the filter area, add the center field to the row area, and then program field to the column area. Place the amount field in the value area and then close the pivot table field list. Okay, we will go to we will click on cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of the dialog box. Go to the insert tab in the tables group. Click on recommended pivot table button. We will click on OK button. Okay, blank pivot table is inserted now. So add the month field to the filter area. We will add the month field to the filter area. So add the center field to the row area. Center field to the row area. Okay, and program field to the column area. So we will add the program field to the column area. Okay, place the amount field in the value area. Place the amount field in the value area and close the pivot table field list. Amount to the value area. So we will close the pivot table field pane. Okay. So this question is done now. Moving on, question number 3 of this assignment. Question number 3 is that format the value in the pivot table using the number category to display 0 decimal places and the 1000 separated. Okay. We will click on this, right click on this pivot table, click on pivot table options button. Sorry, pivot table field pane button. So we will click on sum of value field setting and we will select number format, display 0 decimal places and 1000 separator. Number format 0 decimal places and 1000 separator. So we will decrease the 0 decimal places. Okay, click on this checkbox, use 1000 separator. Click on OK button. Click on OK, close the field pane. So question is done now. Moving on question number 4. Okay, you can see on my laptop screen, I have done 3 questions so far. So moving on, next question is question number 4. Insert, okay, first I will highlight for a proper view in my video. Insert slicers for the program and center field and then filter by the board hall senior center and ceramics and watercolor revenue. Move the program slicer so its upper left corner align with the upper left corner of E3. Move the center slicer so that upper left corner align with H3. Make a copy of this worksheet and then name the copied worksheet ball hard. Okay. Basically, this question will insert slicer for the program and center field. We will go to the Excel workbook, click on Insert tab. In the filters group, click on slicer button. Okay, program, and we will insert a slicer for program and center field. First slider is inserted now. First slicer is inserted now. So we will insert second slicer in the cells in the insert tab. In the filter group, click on slicer button. Okay. Program and center, click on center checkbox, click on OK. You can see both slicer are inserted now for program field and center field. And then filter by the bar, hot, senior, center, and ceramics and watercolor avenue. Okay, filter by the bar, hot, senior, center, and avenue. Okay, bar, hot, senior, center. We will click on this field for filtering. Okay, revenue colors, ceramics and watercolor revenue, ceramics and watercolor revenue, watercolor revenue. Okay, so move the prompt slicer so that upper left corner align with the E3. Okay, we will move our prompt slicer in cell E3, upper left corner in cell E3. Okay, and then move the center slicer so that upper left corner to cell H3. We will move our center slicer in cell H3. Center slicer in cell H3, upper left corner in cell H3. Now to make a copy of worksheet and then rename copy worksheet bold hall. Right click on sheet 1 tab and click on create a copy. Right click on sheet 1 tab, click on move or copy button. Click on create a copy checkbox. Click on OK. So we will rename the sheet as board hall. Right click on this, click on rename button. We will assign the name of the sheet to board hall. So moving on, next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is that display sheet 1 and clear the filter from the slicer and remove the slicer from the worksheet. Rename the sheet 3Q revenue. Simply, we will go to our Excel workbook and we will display sheet 1. Display sheet 1 in the Excel workbook, go to sheet 1. So, okay, remove the filter from the slicer. We will click on this red cross in the slicer. Okay, so go to the center slicer, click on red cross in the center slicer, then filter will be removed from this center slicer. Okay, so we remove slicer from the worksheet. Okay, right click on and first we rename this sheet as 3Q revenue and remove the slicer from the worksheet. You can see. Okay, moving on, question number 6. Question number 6 is that insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet named 3Q revenue chart. Okay, first we will insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Go to the insert tab, sorry, in the pivot table analyze group. Okay, in the tools group, click on pivot chart button. Okay, we will chart type is stacked column, click on OK button. So the next is that move the chart to a new worksheet named 3Q revenue. Okay, we will go to pivot tab design tab or pivot tab analyze tab. In the location group, okay, in the pivot table analyze tab, in the actions group, click on move chart on new sheet. The new sheet name is 3Q revenue chart, click on OK button. You can see here Chart moved on a new sheet. The new sheet name is 3 crore revenue chart. So moving on, question number 7, sorry. Question number 7 is that apply the layout to chart layout. Hide all of the field button on the chart. Add the chart title. Type 3D quarter from revenue and then insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section. Okay, simply first point of this question is that we will apply the layout to chart layout. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will apply layout to chart layout. Please, if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. Okay. The first point of question number 7 is that apply the layout to charts layout. Go to our Excel workbook. Go to the design tab in the chart layout group. Click on quick layout button. We will apply layout 2 on this chart layout. Hide all of its button on the chart. Right click on this chart, click on okay, hide all fields button. So at the chart title, type 3D, sorry, third quarter. Click on chart title, we will type this here, copy and paste third quarter from revenue. Press enter. Okay. And then insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section. Go to the page layout tab in the page setup group, click on margin button, click on custom margin. Okay. So click on custom footer, file name is left section, click on OK button. Click. You can see here. Okay, I have done 7 to 8 question in my video. I have done 60 to 70% of assignment in my video for remaining question. And if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I am handling many student courses on my RT Lab Pearson, Sandgate Mintab, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. If you want to deal for this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email and we will deal for this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course and I will pass your course with A plus grade. Best of luck to my all student. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Thank you so much.